Delsey Luggage Helium Expert Light Personal Ultra Light 4-Wheel Spinner Tote. Ebags Kalya Rolling Tote. New Black 16 Shoulder Tote / Laptop Bag by Renwick. Atlantic Luggage Compass 2 Shoulder Tote. Samsonite Quantum Wheeled Toploader. Kenneth Reaction Luggage Flying Solo Wheeled Carry-On. Travelpro Luggage Maxlite 2 Rolling Tote. Samsonite Luggage Hyperspace Spinner 21. 5 Expandable Suitcase. Delsey Helium Aero Carry-On Spinner Trolley. Travelpro Luggage Crew 921-inch Expandable Suiter Spinner Bag. Olympia 29-8 Pocket Rolling Duffel Bag. Briggs and Riley Luggage 22-inch Carry-On Expandable Upright Bag. Samsonite Luggage DKX2 0.21-inch Spinner. Ricardo Beverly Hills Sausalito Superlite Freewheelers 17 Universal. Rockland Luggage 22-inch Rolling Duffel Bag. Ricardo Beverly Hills Luggage Crystal City 20-inch Expandable Spinner Carry-On. Olympia Tuscany 21-inch Expandable Spinner Airline Carry-On Upright. Samsonite 151 Series 20 Spinner. Saturn Business Carry-On Duffel Bag. Timberland Luggage Claremont 21-inch Upright Carry-On Bag. American Tourister Luggage Ilite Supreme 21 Spinner Suitcase. Rockland 20-inch Carry-On Skin. Samsonite Luggage L.i.f.t. Carry-On Wheeled Garment Bag. Travelpro Crew 8 Rolling Tote. Travelpro Walkabout Lite 3 Rolling Tote. Travelpro Luggage Maxlite 220 Expandable Rollerboard. Travelpro Luggage Maxlite 222 Expandable Rollerboard. Rockland Luggage 20-inch Polycarbonate Carry-On. Samsonite Luggage Aspire Sport Upright 21 Expandable Bag. Kenneth Reaction Luggage Check It Out Carry-On. Olympia Luggage Lux 21 Expandable Carry-On Upright Bag. Samsonite Luggage Aspire Sport Spinner 21 Expandable Bag. Traveling Wheeled Underseat Carry-On with Backup Bag. Samsonite L.i.f.t Spinner 21-inch Expandable Wheeled Luggage. Atlantic Luggage Ultra Light 22-inch Upright. Traveler's Choice Sienna 2-in-1 Hybrid Hard Shell Carry-On Wheeled Garment Suitcase. American Tourister Luggage Splash 21 Upright Suitcase. Ricardo Beverly Hills Luggage Sausalito Superlite Freewheelers 20-inch wheel aboard. Rockland Luggage 20 polycarbonate carry-on luggage. Samsonite Luggage 22-inch andante wheeled duffel. Travelpro Luggage Maxlite 220 expandable spinner. Victorinox Evolve 22 expandable wheeled carry-on. Travel Select Amsterdam 2-piece carry-on luggage set. Rockland Luggage Melbourne 20-inch expandable carry-on. New travel carry-on suitcase on wheels with extendable handle. Rockland 2-piece set. Rockland Luggage Rolling 22 duffel bag. US Traveler Rio 2-piece expandable carry-on luggage set.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.